this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can send money from Fanduel into your Cash App account. So the first thing that you want to do is withdraw your money from Fanduel into PayPal or your bank account. If you're only able to withdraw money from Fanduel into PayPal, then you then transfer that money into your bank account. Now, after you have transferred your money from Fanduel into your bank account, what we want to do is load up Cash App, click on your profile icon in the top right, and then we'll go into linked banks. Here we can either link our debit card or we can click on no card and link our bank instead. So if I click on continue, it's going to show you all of the major banks here, USA banks, and you can choose whichever bank you are using. So for example, if you're a Chase user, you will click on Chase, click on continue to log in, and just log in into your bank, which is going to link your bank account into Cash App. Now, after you have done this, you'll go back to the home screen here and you will click on the banking icon, and then you want to select add cash. So depending on how much money you want to transfer from Fanduel into your Cash App account, you will choose the amount right here, or if it's a custom amount, you'll click on the three dots, type the amount itself and click on add. And if you have successfully linked your debit card or your bank account, then that is going to send the money over essentially from Fanduel into your bank account and then into Cash App. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.